Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, adventurers! In this video, I will explain how to get Tome mods. These special modifications can significantly enhance your abilities, making your character much stronger. We'll dive into the most effective ways to acquire them, from specific in-game activities to unique vendor offerings. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear path to building your ultimate mod collection. Let's get started on boosting your power. The primary way to acquire Tome mods is through engaging in high-level content. Challenging dungeon runs, especially those with a difficulty rating of 3 stars or higher, offer a good chance for drops. Weekly raid encounters are also excellent, often guaranteeing at least one new mod upon successful completion. Additionally, keep an eye out for specific world events. These often provide unique opportunities to earn valuable modifications. Consistency is key here. Beyond core activities, several alternative sources can bolster your mod collection. A special vendor, whose inventory refreshes every 3 days, often sells desirable mods for a reasonable price. You can also exchange excess in-game currency for specific mod packages, offering a chance at rare finds. Don't forget daily and weekly quests, as these sometimes reward valuable modifications. Finally, seasonal events frequently introduce exclusive, powerful Tome mods, so participate whenever possible. To truly maximize your Tome mod acquisition, prioritize activities that offer the specific mods you are seeking. Trading duplicate mods with other players is an excellent way to complete your sets more quickly and efficiently. Consider saving your premium in-game currency for limited-time mod bundles or special sales, which often provide great value. Finally, always check community resources and guides for the most optimal farming routes and up-to-date tips. Happy mod hunting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.